EWA is a brand. Aside the music, like EWA is a brand that represents greatness and uniqueness. EWA is unique. Starting music for me was at a very early stage, and honestly, it wasn't all rosy. Or like for most people, or for some people that had support from parents, siblings, guardians. I didn't really have all of that. It was just me in my box, in my head, trying to be a music person.
Listen! Girl, I know you push. Know you wash. Tell you that I want to die for you.
My creative process is never fixed, apparently. It depends on my mood. Sometimes I get an idea and I call my producer, hey yo, the sounds, how far now? Or Kenny Mix, or Hawkwood, what's up? What's in the power place? I have this idea and I want us to work on it. Sometimes I just walk into the studio with nothing in my head, and then boom, they play me a beat. I'm like, oh, this is actually nice. I hear this a lot of time. Everybody's very hardworking. Like if you literally line up about 10 persons, they have, if they've said everything, they have something in common to say about me, which is hard work. And I'm not going to lie to you, I don't see it sometimes. Why? Maybe because I am over hardworking. Because each time I do something, I feel the need to outdo myself instantly. I don't even feel like I'm doing enough. Because as we know, music is very expensive. Music is no longer, you just do it and your music will just pop from nowhere. Yes, there's grace, but inside that grace, there is spending. As an independent artist, it's not been so easy. I mean, I used to be under a label, and it took the workload off me a little bit in terms of the production processes, the spending, and all of that. I mean, I used to be an independent artist. Then I moved from that to being under a label. Then I moved back to being an independent artist. So trust me when I tell you it's not easy. Like I have experienced both sides and it comes with a lot. When I started planning for my show, it felt like I was mad. From the red carpet, everything, I had the design in my head. I just told my people, like, this is what I want to create. And trust me, with the help of reasonable and good people around me, they were able to replicate what I wanted. So thumbs up to everybody that worked with me. I love you guys. Coming down from that thing that you saw, it's not as sweet as what you people saw. it was not really easy. I came down from the sky, so to say. It was scary. The first thing I said about doing my show was, when I spoke with my set designers and everybody, I told them I want to come from up. It was a little bit stressful, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, I thank God. It was very successful. It's the talk of the town. Everybody loved what they saw on stage that day. It's been a very sweet journey with these people, because having that kind of fan base at this level and stage for any up and coming artist is not easy. Like, I brag about these people. Without them, I'm literally nothing. And they've made me the little thing that I am today, around nation to the world. I love you guys.